YouTube? Last of the V10s, back with another vlog. Today on this cloudy, on and off, storming rainy day Friday. First off, let me start off by saying rest in peace, George Floyd. God bless you and your family. You weren't supposed to go out like that. But this vlog today, I'm about to pull off in a few minutes. Somebody drove by with a flat tire. I'm about to take the beast and get an oil change done today. But first, of course, you hear my daughter in the background. I'll drop over to my mother's house, make my way to the shop, so I get the oil change done on the car. So once I reach there, I turn the camera back on, and record some more for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. But just like I always ask, like, subscribe, and share. I'm trying to build my YouTube channel, learn here and there. As you can see, when I post videos, I try to edit it, make it look good, put some music to it here and there, and whatnot. It's a learning experience. So thank you for joining me on this journey. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, peace. Let's go to YouTube. I'm back at the shop. I arrived to the shop, then I watched it back at the shop. Now I'm just waiting my turn for my guy that always does my oil changing when I come to Mavis shop. I'm in Brooklyn on Pennsylvania Avenue. He takes real good care of me. He takes his time with the car, and does an oil change right. He's working another car right now, so I'm just waiting for him to get started on my car. But I am here at the shop, as you can see. They got the beast right there. They got the oil, everything ready to line up, ready to go. So I'm just waiting for him to get started on my car. So once he gets ready to lift the car up in the air and get started, I'll turn the camera back on. All right. Once again, thank you for tuning in. And I always say before, like, subscribe, share. I'll be back. I do not own the copyrights to this music. I do not own, once again, the copyrights to this music. we'll go to YouTube, turn the camera back on. You can see the oil change is done. About to go pay for everything, take it for a quick drive, and call it a day. But like I said, thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share. And this video should be going up later on today, if not first thing tomorrow. Peace.